What's up, YouTube?
We're gonna have to redo it, man.
Wait, do you say it or did I say it?
I'll let you say it this time.
So I'm like, what's up, YouTube? And then welcome back to another detailing video.
Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another detailing video.
My name is
Jesus from Boujee Mobile Detailing in Santa Ana. You can find me on Instagram, Boujee_details_OC, or Google Maps, Boujee Mobile Detailing.
All right, Jesus, what are we gonna cover today on this video right now?
We're gonna cover my prices on my packages, what I offer, and I believe that's it.
That's about right. Hey, you did good, bro. You're ready, man. You're ready.
Cool.
You're ready for YouTube Live. So, what's the first package, Jesus?
All right, package number 1, I call it a standard service. What that consists of is an outside wash with the best wash methods possible. Then we seal it up with bead maker or any paint sealant that I have on hand. We detail the wheels and we shine up the tires. Then we're gonna go to the interior where I'm gonna do a detailed thorough vacuum. I'm gonna blow out all the cracks and crevices with compressed air to make sure nothing is missed. I'm gonna scrub all the plastic surfaces and leather if that's possible. And I believe that's it for the standard service.
What's the starting price?
Starting price for that for sedans is 80 to 100 depending on condition. And it'll go up from there. Usually for CRVs, compact SUVs, is usually the same price point. It may be a little bit higher depending on condition on the inside, but once it goes to the long 4-door trucks or the long 3-row SUVs, minivans, it'll be 120 to 150 depending on condition again.
Got it. What's your next package above that? So
the next package above that, it's either an exterior focus detail or an interior focus detail. Both include the other, so if it's an exterior focus, it's still gonna include what it includes in the standard service for the interior. But on the exterior, what's different is I'm gonna clay bar the car, I'm an iron remover, and I'm gonna do a quick paint enhancing polish with an all-in-one, whether it's 3D Speed or Rupes Uno Protect. Now going over to the interior package, it's gonna be the same on the outside, a standard wash, what it is for the standard service. But for the interior, what I'm gonna do differently is everything's gonna get scrubbed, but it's also gonna get a steam treatment. That helps take out any staining, odor, pretty much anything to revive the car to what I tell customers, to get it as close possible to perfect that's reasonably possible. And then after that, it's combining both of those, exterior and interior, for a full detail, which starts around 280 to 300, and then it could go up to 350 depending on the condition of your car.
Just making sure the exterior focus or interior focus, 150 starting?
Yeah, starting price is 150 to 180. The interior one, since dirt doesn't discriminate, it goes everywhere in the car. It's a little bit starting price higher. It starts at 180 to 200, but that's just to ensure you get the best quality possible.
Got you, man. But how long have you been detailing?
I started in August of 2020, I believe. So a little bit over a year.
Okay, and you didn't start out like this.
No, definitely not.
You did rinseless wash?
I started off with a waterless wash actually. All I had was a little pump sprayer. I would show up to people's houses and waterless wash them for 15 to 20 bucks.
15 or 20 bucks. And we're talking about the reason you were charging so low was because you didn't know what to charge?
The reason I charge so low is because I always believe in charging the quality that you're producing. So when I first started, I had no detailing background. All I really knew was how to wash my car at home with the regular sponge that you find on the floor, or rag that you find. So my quality that I was producing, looking back now, it was worth $15 to $20.
Yeah.
But as time went on and I got more experience, I started taking trainings and stuff like that, upgraded the products. Now that's the reason I charge what I charge now.
And we were talking earlier and you said, even though you were charging $20, you were still getting people saying, bro, you can't do any cheaper than that.
Yeah, that's the crazy part. People with multiple cars, I would charge them, when I raised up my prices a little bit to like 40, they would want to bring it down to 20 for each car, which is pretty crazy. The fact that I was already charging 40 bucks for an interior and exterior. And since I was barely starting, I was there for like 2 to 3 hours per car trying to get it perfect and go all out for the customer. So, you know, as I started getting more value to my washes, adding more premium sealants, more premium products, safer towels, the price had to go up, just reflecting what I could do.
And back in the day, did you used to get punked by the customers and be like, you know what? Yeah, I'll hook you up.
Yeah, so what I recommend to anyone starting a detailing business is if you have a job, start off, you know, working on your days off. Because when I started my business, I put in my 2 weeks without even knowing what business I was gonna start. Then luckily I found Reyes' videos on YouTube that inspired me to start a detailing business after seeing the Manny video of him making money. So when you're first starting out, you get a lot of customers from family, but then you focus so much on the detailing side that you forget about the business side of detailing, which is a really, really big part. So then the business started dying down, so I would have to take in, the bills would still come, so I would take in any work that I would get. So I would take the $20 details, and it really hits your self-esteem, knowing that you're worth more, but you kind of have to take it just because, you know, the bills don't wait for anyone.
There you go. Hey man, you're keeping it real. Jesus.
Yeah,
I appreciate that, man.
Don't quit your job until you have that steady flow.
How about now? How do you deal with customers that say, hey, you charge this much? Nah, bro, a little hookup.
So now what I deal with customers is a lot of them come from Instagram and they tell me how they've contacted other people and they get the work done and they aren't happy with the work. And then I ask them, how much do you pay? And they're like 40, 30 bucks. And then I tell them that's probably why you're not getting the results that you want. So I tell them, if you want the results of a new car, you gotta pay the price for that. And that way, at the end of the detail, you're gonna be happy and I'm gonna be happy and we're all gonna have a good time with a good service because you paid that little bit extra to make sure you got it perfect to how you like it.
Where you at with your pricing right now? Do you feel like you wanna raise them or you're cool right now?
I think right now I'm at a sweet spot where I don't really get haggled or I don't really get that many crazy reactions when I tell them 150 to 180. But eventually, as I get more lead flow, more people, more booked out in advance, I'm gonna definitely raise my prices. I think you should price. What a lot of people do when they start off, they look at other detailers, and you should focus more on the value that you're bringing. If you're coming into this with experience and stuff like that, maybe you don't have to start off with 15, 20 bucks. You could start off with 40, 50, you know? It's always good to start like low because you don't have a portfolio, you don't have any trust behind your name. Me now, I have a Google business page with, I believe, 40 5-star reviews. So that kind of shows the client that you have 40 people who had an amazing service with you. So now when they hear the price tag, they connect 2 and 2 together and they're like, you know, maybe I'm gonna be 41. So when you're first starting off, you know, you wanna start low and over deliver. And as you get more time, raise it up because your quality will go up as you learn more and get more experience.
All right, so now, Jesus, I'm gonna let you do the outro. And the outro goes like this. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this content, you wanna see more of my story, go give me a follow on Instagram at whoop.
Okay.
And once again, I'm located in that Santa Ana, California. Hit me up, and that's the first part.
All right.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, guys, if you wanna follow more of my journey, get me on Instagram, Boujee_details_OC, located in Santa Ana area if you want that quality work.
There you go. And the next part. And if you like this video and you want to see more detailing content, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
And if you like this video and you want to see more detailing content, click the like video. No, hit the thumbs up. Follow Reyes, he has great content, and subscribe.
Yep, and we'll see you on the next one.
We'll see you on the next one.
There you go. We'll see you in the next one, guys. See you later. Bye.